Hello students, today we will study about balancing chemical equation. For this I have taken one example. In this equation, Fe means iron reacts with H2O forming Fe3O4 and H2. This side is reactant and this is product side. This side is also called LHS or left hand side and this is RHS right hand side. In this equation, students, see the number of Fe iron atoms in reactant side is 1, but this side it is 3. The number of oxygen atom, this side it is 0, it is 1, sorry, but in product side it is 4. The number of hydrogen atoms in reactant side is 2 and this side also 2. That is same, but the other atoms are not same in both sides. So this type of equation is not balanced. This is unbalanced equation, and to balance it we have to follow some steps. So step 1 will be, see students, step 1 will be, we will make boxes around each symbol or formula. We will not change anything, we will just make boxes around all formulas. So this is our first step, students. Now in step 2 we have to make one column. Step 2. See, in this way we will make one column. In first column we will write element. We will write the number of atoms of different element in reactant and product side. So number of atoms in reactant or LHS, left hand side, and in this column we will write number of atoms in product or RHS. Okay, right hand side. In this way we will make column, that is for number of atoms of different elements in reactant and product side. Let us take first element iron. So in reactant side it is 1 and in product side it is 3. So I am writing here 1 and this side 3. Next I am taking here of hydrogen. It is same in this side also 2 and this side also 2. So here I am writing 2 and then 2. Last element is oxygen. In reactant side it is 1 but in product side it is 4. So it is 1 in reactant side and 4 in product side. In this way you have to make your column. Element, number of atoms in reactant side and in product side of that element. So now we will balance our equation, students, and we will start with that element having the maximum number of atoms. It can be in reactant side or product side, but start with the biggest number. So oxygen is 4. We will start balancing with oxygen. So our step 3 will be to balance oxygen atoms. To balance oxygen atoms. To balance oxygen atoms, students, again we will make one column. We will write the number of oxygen atoms in reactant and product side, then we will balance it also. So our atoms of oxygen, so in reactant and this side in product. So initial number is, initial means whatever is present in our reaction. So I am taking here initial. Initial in reactant side the number of oxygen atom is 1, but in product side it is 4. Now what we will do to balance? To make this number 4, we have to multiply reactant side with 4. 1 multiplied by 4, and this side already it is 4. In this way we will do. So what we will do, students, in reactant side we will multiply this formula by 4. Then only it will be oxygen will be 4. So write like this. Again write your equation, that is Fe plus H2O gives Fe 3O4 plus H2. So I am making here our boxes. Now what we have to do, we will multiply in reactant side oxygen with 4. So here oxygen in reactant side, so here we will write 4. We will not do anything. We will not change anything, students. We will just write 4 here to make it O4. But now the number of hydrogen atoms 4 to the 8 in reactant side, 4 to the 8. But this side it is 2. Now the number of hydrogen atoms also change. So to balance it, what we will do, where to multiply what? So next we will balance the hydrogen. So step 4 will be step 4. To balance hydrogen atoms. Again we will make same type of table, atoms of oxygen in place of that atoms of hydrogen. In reactant and in product. Number of hydrogen atoms in reactant side, it is 4 to the 8. I have written here 8, but in product side it is 2. Now how to balance it? To make it 8, we will multiply it with 4. Here we will write 4. So 8 and 2 multiplied by 4. Now our reaction will be Fe plus 4 See students, here I have written 4. Now it will be also 4 to the 8, and here also 4 to the 8. In this side oxygen is 4, but in this side oxygen is 4. So oxygen and hydrogen are balanced, but the number of iron atoms in reactant side it is 1, and in this side it is 3. So now we will balance our iron atom. That will be your step 5. To balance iron atom, again we have to make same type of column. Number of iron atoms initial in reactant. In reactant it is 1, but in product side it is 3. So I am writing here 3. Now how to make it 3, students? By multiplying it with 1. That is here 3 multiplied by 1, and here as it is 3. See here we will multiply here 3. So our new equation will be 3Fe multiplied by plus 4 H2O see like this. In this way we will write this equation. Now becomes like this. Now we will open our boxes. So 3Fe plus See students, now this is our balanced chemical equation. The number of all the atoms is same in reactant side and in product side. 3Fe, 3Fe, 4O, 4O. 4 to j 8H, and this side also 4 to j 8H. But one more step is there, students, in balancing, that is your step 6. You can write the states of different element or compound. Like in this equation, iron is in solid form when it reacts with H2O, which is in steam form, gaseous form. This is not in liquid form. So, and this formation is in solid and hydrogen gas evolved. So we can write the states. 3Fe solid. For solid I am writing is small s plus 4H2O. So this is in gaseous form. Then again Fe3O4. This is formed in solid plus 4H2. This is in gaseous form. In this way, we can write small alphabets, we can write the states. Generally these states are not written in all the chemical reaction, but while balancing it you have to write it. So this is our balanced chemical equation, students.